Arithmetic sequences. Let's begin with a couple samples. In the file on the hub, you can click on this image right here. You can click on this image in the hub and you can try a few at a Google form. But looking at the ones that are here, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. Let me think. That'll be 10, 12, 14. So we're going to add 2 every time. How about the next one? 5, -2, -9, -16. So it's going down by 7s. So if we go down 7, -23, -30, etc. In general, you're seeing that our series, or our sequence rather, starts at a value, say 2 here and 5 here, and it goes up or down by a common amount. So up to, etc. Here, down 7, down 7, down 7. So it starts at 5 and goes down 7, and this one starts at 2 and goes up by 2s. So looking at the sequence here, 3, 5, 7, 9, it starts at 3 and goes up by 2s. We will call the first term A, and we'll say it's 3. And the common difference is 2, so we call that D. If those things are true, where the first term is A and the common difference is 2, then we have a general term. So if we can figure out any term, say the nth term, by taking the first term and adding n minus 1 differences. So Tn is the nth term, A is the first term of the sequence, n represents the position of the term, like the third term, the fourth term, the 10th term. D is the common difference, or what you're adding or taking away every time. The general term is Tn, where we start with the first term A and we add a bunch of D's to get to the nth term. So looking at this first example, A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2, and the common difference is going up by 2 each time, so 2 as well. So putting it into the formula, Tn is equal to 2 plus n minus 1 using the formula from above, and then the 2 for the D. I'm going to expand the second part by using the arrows to expand that part, and I get equals 2 plus 2n minus 2, which equals just 2n. So our nth term can be found by using the formula 2n. Let's try a second one. Our first term is 5, and we're going down by 7 each time. So the common difference is -7. We're going to put this into the formula, so 5 plus n minus 1 times -7. And then using the arrows again, we're going to expand this to get 5 minus 7n plus 7, or 12 minus 7n if it's simplified. One more. In this case, the first term is 53, and we went up 7 and 6 is 13, and then 13 again, so the common difference is 13. Putting that into the formula, I get 53 plus n minus 1 times the common difference, 13. So equals 53 plus 13n minus 13 equals 40 plus 13n. Alright, that's it for this page. You may use this link in the PowerPoint provided on the hub in order to practice some arithmetic sequences. And now it's your turn. Here's a set of questions you can work on in your notebook. Good luck, take care, and come ask me for questions.